How to send money on GO2BANK. I'm going to show you how you can easily send money on GO2BANK. Whether you need to transfer money fast to cover overdrafts or just want more money in your account, it has easy and secure transfer options to make your GO2BANK account your go-to. Linking a debit card is super fast, but you will be charged a fee of 3% of your transaction amount. You can use this option when you need your money right away, like bringing your account back to $0 to avoid overdraft fees, or if you know a bill is due. Transferring money from another bank is completely free and usually takes about 3 business days for your money to arrive. You can use this option when you have time to beef up your balance and keep more of your money. But before transferring, log into your account on the app or at go2bank.com and select Move Money. Then select either debit card transfer to link a debit card or bank transfer to link a bank account. Now, follow the simple instructions to complete your transfer.